Maths is not just numbers. Sure, numbers are a core part of math that aid in our understanding of it, but they aren't the only aspect of mathematics. Numbers are an abstract concept that act as visual representations or values to aid in our understanding in mathematics. In reality, mathematics is all about logic and application, with numbers to support the way we can use it.
The BMI, Body Mass Index, is a method of calculating how healthy your body is based on its weight compared to height. The BMI is calculated with a simple equation, W times 704.7 over H squared, to determine one's BMI. In the equation, W equals weight in pounds and H equals height in inches. Let's say Jenna, age 27, with a height of 170 centimeters and a weight of 102 kilograms, wants to know her BMI. We'll convert the centimeters to inches to find out that she is around 67 inches. Then we'll convert her weight into pounds. Her weight is around 225 pounds. With the information gathered and the units converted, we can determine Janet's BMI. Her BMI is 35.32. BMI values from 0 to 15 are considered underweight and unhealthy, as well as values of 35 and over are considered overweight, whereas scores of around 20 are healthy. Janet's BMI just puts her in the overweight range.
For example, in epidural gel, which is used to cure acne, in every gram there is 1 milligram of adapalene and 25 milligrams of benzoyl peroxide. How many moles of each would be needed in 30 grams of the gel?
Here we're going to be focusing on drop rates that relate to intravenous or IV fluids in bags. These drip rates determine how much of a liquid is used per minute, as these cannot be given too fast or too slow. The equation to find drip rates is simply volume in milliliters over time in minutes, multiplied by the drop factor, which is how many drops are given per milliliter. For example, a patient needs saline, and this saline has to be administered over 6 hours, with 750 milliliters in total given to him. If he uses a drop factor of 15 per milliliter, how many drops per minute must he be delivered? Well, 750 milliliters divided by 6 times 60, since we have to use minutes, which is 360, then multiplied by 15, which gives us 31.25.
Through the application of mathematical functions such as equations and statistics, it is possible to calculate vitals such as BMI. Maths is more than just numbers, as it can determine the health for patients of doctors and to gather information about one's body. With questions like, how healthy am I? How effective is my liver? At the end of the day, to get the answers, there's only one thing to do. It's all just maths.